Are you tired of constantly checking crypto prices, trying to time the market, and feeling that gnawing anxiety every time the charts take a dip? What if there was a way to invest in your favorite cryptocurrencies on Gemini, consistently, without the emotional roller coaster, and ultimately, build your portfolio for the long term with a proven strategy? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We're talking about dollar cost averaging, or DCA, and how you can effortlessly set it up for recurring buys on Gemini. This isn't just about making investments, it's about making smart, strategic investments that work for you, even when you're not actively watching the market. For many, the world of cryptocurrency can seem daunting. The volatility is legendary, and the fear of buying at the peak or selling at the bottom can paralyze even seasoned investors. This is where DCA shines. Instead of trying to predict the unpredictable, DCA is a disciplined approach where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the asset's price. Think of it like this: if Bitcoin is at $70,000 today, and you invest $100, you get a certain amount of Bitcoin. If next week it drops to $65,000, and you invest another $100, you'll actually get more Bitcoin for the same amount of money. Then, if it goes up to $72,000 the week after, your $100 buys a little less. Over time, these regular investments average out your purchase price, reducing the impact of short-term price fluctuations and mitigating the risk of putting all your eggs in one basket at the wrong time. It's a powerful strategy that prioritizes time in the market over timing the market. The beauty of DCA on Gemini is that once you set it up, it runs on autopilot. You decide the amount, the frequency, and the cryptocurrency, and Gemini handles the rest. This automation helps you stick to your investment plan, removes emotional decision-making, and builds good financial habits. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it approach that frees up your mental energy for other things. So, why Gemini specifically? Gemini is a highly reputable and regulated cryptocurrency exchange known for its robust security features and user-friendly interface. They prioritize compliance, making it a trusted platform for both beginners and experienced investors. Plus, their recurring buy feature is incredibly straightforward to set up, which is what we're about to demonstrate. Before we jump into the step-by-step guide, let's quickly recap the core benefits of using recurring buys for DCA. Reduces volatility risk. By spreading out your investments, you minimize the impact of market swings. You're less likely to suffer significant losses from a single, poorly timed lump sum investment. Removes emotional investing. Fear and greed often lead to bad investment decisions. DCA takes the emotion out of the equation, ensuring you stick to a disciplined plan. Builds discipline. Regular, automated investments foster good financial habits and a consistent approach to wealth building. Averages out your cost. Over time, your average purchase price tends to be lower than if you tried to time the market and often failed. Convenience. Once set up, it's completely automated, saving you time and effort. Alright, now that we've established the why, let's get into the how. We'll walk through setting up recurring buys on both the Gemini mobile app and the web interface, so no matter how you prefer to access your account, you'll be covered. Setting up recurring buys on the Gemini mobile app. The Gemini mobile app is incredibly intuitive, making it a breeze to set up your DCA strategy. Open the Gemini app and log in. First things first, open the Gemini app on your smartphone or tablet and log in securely using your credentials. If you haven't set up biometric login, fingerprint or Face ID, I highly recommend it for quicker and more secure access. Navigate to the Market tab. Once logged in, you'll see a navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the Market tab, usually represented by a chart icon. This will take you to a list of all the cryptocurrencies available on Gemini. Select your desired cryptocurrency, scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the cryptocurrency you wish to set up recurring buys for. For this example, let's say you want to DCA into Bitcoin, BTC. Tap on Bitcoin. Initiate a buy order. On the Bitcoin asset page, you'll see various options. Look for the trade button and then tap on buy. This will open the order entry screen. Choose recurring order type. This is the crucial step for DCA. At the top of the order entry screen, you will typically see options like one-time or recurring. Select recurring. Set your desired frequency. A new set of options will appear, allowing you to choose how often you want your recurring buys to occur. Gemini offers a range of frequencies, usually including daily, for those who want the most aggressive averaging. Weekly, a very popular option, often set for a specific day of the week. Bi-weekly, every 2 weeks. Monthly, often aligned with paychecks, allowing for consistent investments. Select the frequency that best suits your financial goals and cash flow. Enter your investment amount. Now, input the amount of fiat currency, e.g., USD, Euro, GBP, you want to invest in each recurring buy. Remember the core principle of DCA, consistency. Choose an amount you're comfortable investing regularly, even during market dips. It's better to start small and consistent than to overcommit and have to stop. Select your payment method. Gemini will prompt you to choose your linked payment method. This could be a bank account, ACH transfer, or a debit card. ACH transfers typically have lower fees, but debit card purchases are instant. If you don't have a payment method linked, you'll be guided through the process to add one. Review your order. Before confirming, Gemini will provide a summary of your recurring buy order. Double-check the cryptocurrency, the amount, the frequency, and the payment method to ensure everything is correct. Swipe to confirm. On the mobile app, you will usually see a swipe to confirm slider. Swipe it to finalize your recurring buy setup. Your first recurring buy will typically execute immediately, and subsequent buys will follow your chosen schedule. Managing recurring buys on the mobile app. To view or modify your recurring buys, simply navigate back to the specific crypto asset, e.g., Bitcoin, on the Market tab. Scroll down, and you should see a recurring buys section where you can manage your existing orders. From here, you can pause, cancel, or even adjust the amount or frequency, though for adjustments, you might need to cancel and set up a new one. Setting up recurring buys on the Gemini web interface. If you prefer using your desktop or laptop, the Gemini web interface offers a similar straightforward process. Go to Gemini.com and log in, open your web browser, go to Gemini.com, and log into your account. Access the market page. Once logged in, you'll likely be on your dashboard. On the left-hand navigation menu or at the top, look for Market or Prices and click on it. This will display a list of all available cryptocurrencies. Select your desired cryptocurrency. Click on the cryptocurrency you want to set up recurring buys for. Again, let's use Bitcoin as our example. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.